We've arrived at Universal Studios.
First things first, 8 or 9?
9. It's so late. We're trying to get a time ticket, but we just got here. Give us some time to relax before we run in there. Okay, we got our time ticket, but it's at 9, so we just have 30 minutes to get some food and drinks and then go there. Or maybe we can get food when we're there in the Mario Land.
9 to 10?
9 to 10, that's it. So we just have 1 hour in Mario Land.
No, you have longer than that. Because you have to go inside.
So I want to relax before we go in there. Let's get a food, let's get a drink, perhaps take a lap.
To use this time entry ticket, select it from your e-tickets and show the QR.
It's the app here. Gotta use the app. We're here, we did it.
It was a stressful experience, but we did it.
Yes. I would recommend buying the Express Pass. Just buy it, okay? Yes, it's 10,000 yen, but just buy it. No one cares about that $100 in 5 years from now, okay? No one. That $100 will be gone before you blink your eyes, so you might as well just buy the stupid Express Pass so you can actually go on the rides. No one wants to wait in lines, okay? No one. Look at this. Boop, boop, boop.
No time entry tickets for the Harry Potter world.
No time for the Harry Potter world, but no one cares about Harry Potter. No one. I don't understand how this franchise exists.
What do you mean? It's pretty popular.
Bunch of wizards.
I liked it.
Bunch of wizards casting spells. Great for you.
It's because we arrived. They say the park operating hours is starting at 9 a.m., but it's always open 1 hour before. And they don't say this online.
So we can't go to Harry Potter at all?
No. I mean, right now it's not showing. But maybe when the park actually starts at 9, it will.
Oh, okay.
And it tells you how long the wait for each of the rides are. And since we're early, we should go on some rides right now.
Yeah, we should. Do we have time? Just 30 minutes for this ride.
Hollywood Dream backdrop. I need to go to the washroom.
Yeah, I gotta go to the washroom as well. Where's the washrooms of this place? Oh, Cafe Mario is here. Cafe Mario. Look, you wanna go to this cafe? We can just walk up.
Yeah. Let's do it.
There's no line.
Close.
Oh, it's closed. We got here early. I recommend getting here early as hell. Early as heck. Okay, we're gonna go look into this shop. Look at this tiny lemon cup. And Teresa got a sandwich from this restaurant. 1,600 yen. Pastrami sandwich. Cola, and I ate a salad portion, which was sad, but what can I do? This is it, we're here. Mario World, here we go. Wow. Okay, it's very overwhelming, but now we're in the lineup for the Yoshi ride. It's incredible, this place. Very cool. We're on a ride.
Thank you.
Here's some of the items. We got the Yo-Yo Yoshi. Comes with biscuits. This, more biscuits in a pipe. It's kind of cool. Very cool. Products. Donkey Kongs. Yoshi eggs. More Yoshi eggs. Got the gold mushroom chocolate coins. Cookies there. Mushroom hats.
So the hairband is 26.
Alright, we left. Now we're in New York. We're in the New York zone. Look at this old-timey New York taxi cab. And there's people doing their TikToks here on the corner. And we're looking for some kind of food. The plant-based options are extremely limited. I ate French fries. That's it. Oh, and we went on the Jurassic Park ride. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Highly. Great ride. Super fun. The biggest one here, I believe. Biggest one. So check out that way. Look at this way. This is the ride here. Do this ride. Definitely recommend it. Super good. Super good. Enjoyable. Enjoyable. 100%. There's just people just smiling and waving at you everywhere. Like this guy. They pay him to smile and wave. They don't have that in America, I don't believe. At Universal. Maybe they do, you can tell. Gotta go.